Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add location to photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then go ahead, locate the photo you want to add location to and then click on it. Click on the information icon. Now it should say add location. Go ahead and click on that. Then enter new location. Now once you start the location, then you should see some suggestions pops. You can just delete that and then select the exact location by typing it here like this. Then once you type it, select the location, and then if you swipe up a bit, you should see location pops on the maps. And now you are good. Then exit the photo. When next you want to check whether the photo has a location, just click on it, click on the information icon, then you should see the photo location like this. You see that? So that is exactly how to add location to photos on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.